Hey there, Nicole Havlicek here, and in this video we're going to go over how to make a YouTube channel art for your YouTube channel. And I've already made one for my channel, as you can see here, and I made it on Canva. So I'm going to go back now into Canva, and we're going to make a few different ones. It's super simple, super easy. You can get, as fancy or simple as you want with it. Mine's pretty simple. I really like the background here with the iPad or computer or whatever it is, and then the transparent kind of color graphics. So, excuse me. All right, so here we go. I'm logged into Canva, and there's just basically a layout or a template rather for just about any graphic you can think of that you need to use in your business, or you can make custom dimensions here if you have specific needs for the size of the graphic. Okay, so I'm going to click down here and scroll down, YouTube channel art. So it's already set for the correct dimensions that we're going to need. Excuse me. Okay, so here we go. Let's make a few, and these are some nice options to get started with. Tons and tons and tons of options. All right, so let's see. This one's pretty cool if you had some kind of audio type channel. So depending on your niche, if you were in organic fruits, you would go here. This is music again, fashion, ice cream, gaming, outdoors, fun, fashion. Okay, so you just tons and tons of options. So this one would be pretty good for some kind of business niche. So here we go. We have a couple things that we're going to edit. I already typed out. So this isn't, I wouldn't pick this one for my niche, but we're going to do some quick and dirty ones just to show you how simple it really is. Boom. There you go. Okay, basically I'm done. I mean, you could use this just as so. Let's add a new page and do another one that's going to be cool but simple, because we're just trying to get through all these parts, so this is the part we're on now, YouTube channel art. I'm really rounding out. I'm about to be close to done, I feel, with like the setup of the YouTube channel, and I can just move into creating content, and then when that's happening, we'll move on to the next step. And the whole purpose of my channel is to walk you step by step through how to create a successful online business in any niche. Okay, I'm going into the internet marketing niche. I already have a non-internet marketing niche that I'm doing well in, so I suggest doing that first. I don't suggest going into the internet marketing niche. I'm doing that because I really feel that it's something I've always wanted to do, and I have a lot to share. So that's why I'm doing that, but I don't recommend you do that first. Go be successful in a non-internet marketing niche. That's my recommendation before you move into this. Okay. Let's see. That one's cool if you were in the sushi business. Let's go back up and grab this one. Okay. It's loading. All right, so I'm gonna go back to here, slap that in, move that up. Okay. Put that in as the sub headline. Perfect. I mean, done. Okay, so look how different these are, but look how nice they are depending on what niche you're in. So, and this one's cool too. Like, there's just so much. It's so simple. They already have it really set to go. And if you like, let's say, the letters, but you don't want that background, you can just click that background, delete it, delete the element. Oh, that was an individual element. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's delete that. Delete image. Okay, and then I could replace that with something else, like an uploaded image that I have. You know, I have a lot of tennis stuff in here. I'm in tennis, in the tennis niche. All right, so none of these will work for this, but let's just, you know, it's not going to make sense. But let's just go and see what we can do. All right, we can do that. That's pretty cool. Oops. And yeah, well, it's already behind that. Great. Good. Okay. So, I mean, anything, you can really make things look quite different and awesome. So I think that does a pretty good job of, let's just do one more thing. Let's add some shapes on here. Or, do I want shapes or do I want, let's see, background, elements? No, yeah, okay. Let's go with illustrations. Okay, these are all $1. I typically stick with the free ones. I don't think I've bought anything ever. There's just no need to. Icons. Oh, these are cool, right? So, you know, a light bulb one, that works nice for business. This one would work e-commerce, computer, phone. I mean, you could, like if we went back to the, you know, let's say we just got rid of that and, okay, let's leave that there. Let's bring some of this shape. Okay, so we could do that. There. And then I could go to shapes. Bring that there. Okay. And then I want that in the back. Actually, I want to do this. I'm going to go to arrange here because I want to send the square behind that shopping cart icon. Okay, that's what I did. I also want it to be a different color. How's that? Okay, cool. All right, there. You know, that's another option for channel art. So there's just any graphic you want, you're going to get really good stuff here with Canva. This is just an example of YouTube channel art, but as you saw in the beginning, there were tons of options. Okay, so that's how you would go ahead and do that. So get on Canva and have fun with it and get your graphics rolling. All right, thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Please go ahead and subscribe so you can follow along as I build this business out online, and so you can follow me step by step and do the same thing in your niche. All right? Thanks so much again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.